First thing in the camera better than it in real life. Oh, aroma good.
Yeah.
So where do we go, Pop? Let's try there. Ah. You already Tiffany. Oh, nice birds. How many houses here? Same. But this farm I love. You see? Look, this one. Because I told you, I want the same. They're not growing tall. In those bushes. Uh-oh. Look at how sky beautiful. Like an orange or something. Tiffany. What nice tree here, yeah?
Yeah.
So beautiful.
I love the trees, yeah.
And I like these plants too. Oh, look at how here, what's there? Wow, look at how road nice. Well, let's go there. Wow. Amazing. Ah, it's probably for, okay, for ocean. Mm-hmm.
It just takes you to,
Yeah, I understand, yeah, for ocean. Wow.
It's just one further down the go down oysters.
Cool. And this how amazing. Oh my god, how they're huge. Wow. It's like an orange there. Wow, look it's on this trail. Oh my god. Wow. No trespassing? I can look at little. I don't want to go far.
Yeah.
Just so beautiful road. Yeah, look like they go.
We'll just go to the main road and turn around if we know what.
No, they're buggy bites.
Alright.
Actually, we can go a little bit, but no, I don't want to. I want to see sunset. Sunset. Look at how beautiful sunset. Or it's just lights. What is it? Male. Cicada, I like it.
It's usually advertisements.
You take actually after back. Well, look at how it's beautiful. Oh my god. Orange or pink.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look how color beautiful. Oh my gosh. Wow, yeah? Awesome. Oh, those three? Super. Oh, look at there too something.
Yeah.
Wow. I don't hear the cat from your breathing. Hmm? Mm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I'm sure it's very cheap. Sarcasm. Oh my, how beautiful this is. Oh my god, how it's amazing. Yeah?
Yeah.
Landscaping, just like, wow. It's like you have a landscaping and also sea. So you see they put them up a little bit.
Yeah.
Let's go this way. It's cold. Oh, look at Reddit! Oh. He freezes there. Hi, rabbit. Okay. It's kind of a boring. Oh, look at. Hello. Look at us. Camera not very in evening you see them make it. You wanna attack me or what? Yeah, it's not very. Wow. Yeah, here a lot of rabbits.
Yeah, I'm surprised.
Uh-huh. And they're not so much afraid. Looks like a lot of bug too. Because I already feel like something bite me. I like it, those tree. Yeah, it's another. Tiffany, we don't know where we go, and I hope I have to find the. We don't know the names of the road. Wow, look at how beautiful. Oh, here is like fancy houses. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, sky and phone looks better neat in what is a tree like this? Look at how nice, yeah?
Yeah.
Wow. Actually, we need to go this way. Oops. No, they're huge, but leaves amazing. Color like nice. Finish roads or what? Nice, yeah, tree.
Yeah. I think you're right.
Yeah, for escalate. Yeah, very high. And one hibiscus. Unusual house here. But tree amazed me here. I don't know. It's just wow, tree. Nice mailbox. Oh wow. Interesting. How many years for this tree?
Oh, I would say probably 50.
50 years?
Yeah, 50 to 100.
Wow. Oh, what are the plants? I like those plants. That's no, these plants. Wow.
Get off the roof.
And they're too nice. Oh, where is sunset?
Yeah, the sunset's over there.
It's safe for us, the scoop.
Yeah. I don't want the pup to get near there.
How far away? How for pup? Look at this for birds. How safe for pup? How far away she can be?
Oh, it's okay.
Yeah, from distance, okay?
Yeah.
Oh, what is the plants? Look at.
And that's usually something for puppies. It's
Look
not
at.
for...
See, Tiffany. Look at this, like
Yeah,
how tree.
It's like a rubber tree plant.
No, but leaves look a different color. I actually wanna do something. Oh, this is tree what I like it. Look, this one huge one. Wow. Super. It's like Christmas tree like this, yeah? Yeah. This probably this aroma, yeah?
Seahorse mailbox.
Ah, super. Yeah. Get away. This probably what... Ah, no, it's hibiscus, yeah. Yeah, it's like a stones. Oh, what's happened to this palm? Look at, yeah? Look at the bushes.
Yeah.
Look at this palm like this one, yeah? So is it. This one, yeah? It's so cute. Wow. So this is tree, but young or what?
Yeah.
This tree probably will after grow. And how? So what is the leaves? Huh. Interesting. Yeah, looks like they after grow big one. Yeah, like this. Say hi. Look at how, yeah. Lot of tree. No, but see, what the years of this tree. And there too, tree nice. Look at those three. How many unusual tree here?
Yeah.
So this is, you see how? Oh my God, look at how strong is it?
Yeah.
I never see tree like this.
Oh, either about it.
It's stay more windy. Interesting shutters. I see how house here like more like on the higher. Thompson. Super. Oh. Interesting, can we plant like this tree? Or no?
Well, that's gonna be too big.
Need to come for when it's light because it's like you cannot see tree now. Oh, nice palm. Yep. Interesting, the people from Ukraine live there or no? Or it's just like... Look at house down there. What, they built here or what? Here too probably no HOA, yeah? Look at how tree this. Oh, birdic. Here birdic like sleep, lay down, sleep later. So quiet here. I wanna go and rest. Here is a rest. Look at how many sites. What they say?
Well, usually it's directions to the city.
You know what's interesting? When you have a community without HOA, it's always will be beautiful. Look at how they grow huge. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh my God, look at on this tree.
Yeah.
I didn't know that they can grow like this. When you don't mess with water. So you want to say what like the sprinkle will spray in our house?
No, not necessarily. I'm sure it's smaller.
I love those trees, serious. Oh, this is, my gosh. Look at this, like... Wow, yeah. I want to find this tree and plant it. Serious, I love it. It's like tower, those trees. How many years needed would they grow like this, huh? Amazing.
Pine trees usually grow pretty quickly.
No. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my... I'm joking. It's a different love. That's different. Now need to walk at this here. And this buggy kind of bites. The buggy. Look at how many, it's like very popular tree here.
Yeah.
I don't know what the names. Yeah, but when you go in nursing, like they're like, we don't know what is a tree. We never hear about tree like this.
Let me show you a hibiscus.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, it's like a rock. Oh, interesting. No, I just say, you know, when you... Oh, look at how here, wow. Nice, yeah? Plants. It's what, like rocks or what is it? My god. Nice. Yeah. See, when I do small, it's dark. This one, remember what I saw? These purple flowers. Yeah, stay dark. You come back probably. When you don't have an HOA or nice shutters, I love these shutters. I'm serious. When you don't have an HOA, you always will have so beautiful houses. Always. Because people always have a, you know, like creative good taste or something, you know. It's very long street.
Yeah, like I say, maybe we go to the stop sign and turn around.
This one looks like young, this tree.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Yeah, you definitely don't need to plant them close to the house. Nice she's lounge. Wooden. Gosh, how nice. But this here where need to buy houses. Yeah. I think they build here probably like, how I understand, they probably build here like custom made. Looks like if they no, yeah, if they don't have a choice, looks like they buy old one, yeah?
Yeah, and
Knocked over and
yeah, some of them have been redone or
uh-huh. Yeah.
some of them have just redone a lot.
Oh, look at house in the house. See, look at postal house.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this tree, look at on this tree. Oh my goodness. My god. Wow, they probably aroma have, yeah? Super. Yeah. They're all unique. I want like a swan.
Yeah, well,
Like a Spider-Man.
a crab.
Yeah, crab. This is fish. Super. It's like a swan. Attention. It's a boat here. Interesting sidewalk. Yeah, nice. Okay. 11 o'clock almost. No, 10, yeah? 10 o'clock. 10 p.m. And we go for a walk on the beach. Oh, it's people here. No, we're not alone. Uh-oh. Oh, it's not close. You see, it's still there, yeah? Oh, wow. It's very windy here. Need dresses. Oh my gosh, very warm. Uh-oh. My. Wow. There is the ocean. Yeah, it's very cold here. I guess some water bottle. Here you go. Definitely. Oh. Uh-oh. Here is the ocean. Woo! No, it's very warm. I'm okay. Let's stay. I will go on water like it's like this first part. What?
Tiffany.
Actually, really warm water.
Yeah.
Try. Your dress is actually it's very windy. It's very good job. Can you put in my eyes this one? Now you know.
Why am I cold?
It's not cold. Go quickly because it's cold. Awesome. Yeah, Tiffany. People run. You see people run here at night. People run here. Let's go. We just needed something. Dress is more warmer. It's crazy windy. But water